right. Window sheetrocked. Next is spackle. You can go ahead. Next is spackle. They got somebody coming to check the house, so everybody's running around trying to get this thing done up quick. They came out nice. Went over here. And I fixed this little touch up here. So, looking good there. Once it's dry, won't really be noticeable too much. All right. But yeah, it feels good to get that done. Feels good to get that done. All right. Next, we'll be coming back to spackle this and paint it. And paint this wall. And we'll be out of here. Let's go.